Look at the conundrum. There are strays now, whether they are being, vaccinated, inoculated, one doesn't know. There was also a theory, and I am against culling dogs. I think we can neuter them if there is a problem, but culling them is a big problem. But when cases like this go up, Ritika, where you see 36% increase in rabies, of course, the government is saying that, because it's being reported better, even, notwithstanding that, if it's being reported, then obviously the cases have increased, right? There is a theory. What does one do? Where does one balance it out, Ritika Goel?
BBMP food campaign that is coming. I've seen videos of the chicken. So basically, what I've heard is they've collaborated with hotels. So the hotels that you see, people who eat meat, food, leftover food with onions and lemon and God knows whatnot. That is what is being distributed, and I've seen videos. So this is chaos. This is chaos.
And we have a major alarming stray dog situation where kids have been chased. There have been dog bites, right? Maybe next time we'll try to see if we can get those people who can talk about it, right? So I don't totally agree with Arun. There has to be a coexistence, but not at the cost of us human, right? We do definitely love dogs. We have a lot of dog lovers staying in our community, but he's saying that if you feed them, they're happy and the tummy is full and they will not bite.
I think we do not know. I think we are still, it's half-baked information, Vinita. How to do it, who will do it, I don't know.
Absolutely. And as you rightly said in the beginning of the conversation, that BBMP has not even fulfilled the basic rights of us, right?
I mean, there is a long list there. Yeah, I know.
So who takes the accountability, right? Who is going to take the accountability?